by the way, why forget everything else that President Trump may or may not have done? Have you looked at the White House lately? I can't believe that this is the non-story. So that's just, I can't believe this is the story that's not making the news. And maybe, actually, maybe the images I've seen are not real. That will have to be, I guess that will have to be confirmed, and maybe that's why it's a non-story. But the White House, what has happened? You let the president demolish a third of the White House? I can't believe it. Anyway, what was I going to talk about?